Hello everyone, welcome to NEDME. My name is Vasu. This is a new series of Class 6 NCERT History, our Past-1. In this introduction video, we will discuss why to study history. History is part of a bigger group of subjects known as social science, which tells us about geography, economy, and the manner in which our social and political life is organized. History helps us understand how this present world evolved from the past. Life was not always the way we see it. Our early ancestors lived without fire, crop cultivation, roads, and railways. History can take us into these pasts. History is really an adventurous journey across time and space. It gives us chance to look into life of the people from another age, their food, clothes, buildings, and their art and crafts. You may ask, why should we bother about pasts that are no longer with us? But history is not just about pasts, it is also about present. How? The society we live in has been fashioned by those who came before us. Their attempts to grapple with the problems of their time, their discoveries and inventions transformed human societies. These changes were often so gradual and seemingly small that their impact was not noticed by people at that time. But now, when we study history, we begin to see how these changes happened and we can observe their long-term effect. History tells us how modern world emerged over long centuries of development. Coming to the question, what will we learn in this book? We will discuss how historians come to know about the past by following clues and traces left by the people of past. We will discuss about hunters, peasants, craft peoples, and traders. We will also discuss about kings and queens in ancient India. Other things that we will discuss are discovery of fire, iron tools, and the cultivation of wheat and rice, and how villages and towns developed in the past. History is not only about political events, but everything that happened in society. It is not only about great men, but also about lives of normal women, men, and children. At last, history enables us to open our mind and break out of our small present-day world. So, do you ever ask yourself these questions? Who am I? How this society works? And how the world in which we live functions? If you do, then you will need to know how our societies have evolved and how our past have shaped the present, which we will learn in this series. In the next video, we will discuss first chapter of Class 6 NCERT History, what, where, how, and when. Check the link of the video in description and I will see you in the next video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.